How to run to lose weight. When people hear run, the first thing that comes to mind is, oh no, that is so strenuous. That is true, and so is swimming, jogging, doing aerobics, or even riding a bike. The only significant difference is that you gain more losing weight-wise from running than another of the so-called strenuous exercises mentioned. Running is an excellent way to exercise. Not only is it convenient, but it also offers plenty of health benefits. It is one of the best ways to promote cardiovascular health, and it also helps strengthen your muscles, knees, and back. But among the most popular reasons people run is to lose weight and stay in shape. And you can. We will teach you how in this video. Running to lose weight is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is get yourself moving to burn more calories than you eat. Running allows the average adult to burn approximately 100 calories per mile. How long it takes to run a mile depends on your current condition. Generally, adults in top athletic condition can typically complete a mile run in 6.5 to 8.5 minutes, while the average person will take approximately 8.5 to 15 minutes. To achieve significant weight loss by running, you should aim to run at a steady pace for about 30 minutes per day. Of course, the longer you can run, the better. Running daily for at least a mile or two will enable you to steadily lose weight for as long as you don't overindulge with food. But if you want to maximize the fat-burning benefits of running, the best thing for you to do is to turn your running sessions into high-intensity interval exercises, HIIE. HIIE is scientifically proven to be incredibly useful in getting rid of both subcutaneous and visceral fat. This was the highlight of a study led by researchers from the University of New South Wales in 2012. What's more, according to a study review published by the Journal of Obesity in 2011, it is the type of exercise that offers a remarkable positive effect on insulin sensitivity. Over time, this leads to a great capacity to lose weight. It also helps you avoid diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. To gain all the benefits of HIIE while running, all you need to do is alternate between sprinting and walking. How long each interval should last depends on your current condition. If you're a beginner, here's a good running workout to start with. Warm up by walking for 5 minutes. Right after your warm-up, sprint as fast as you can for 1 minute. After your sprint, walk at a steady pace for 5 minutes. Repeat the interval of 1 minute sprint and 5-minute walk for another 4 times to complete a 30-minute workout. End your exercise by walking until your heart rate has steadied and your body has cooled down. Running will enable you to lose weight as long as you do it regularly, and you also make an effort to watch what you eat. You can also burn more fat and achieve your weight loss goals more quickly if you run using HIIE intervals. No matter what you prefer doing, you can be assured that all your efforts will be worth it as you reach your ideal body weight and shape. Following are the study references we used to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.